Hey everybody, this video, I've got one more master lock number 77 to make a key for. Another key code on it. It's also wrong. None of these 77s is my third one, and none of the key codes have worked on them. So we got our blank. We got it cut to zeros here. And I hope everybody can see. I hope this works because I'm not doing it again if it doesn't. I guess I can't do it again if I've already done it. And hopefully this goes fast as well because I'm still in Florida. I'm turning the air conditioning off to help with the audio, and it is hot as shit. So my clean grip here. Key blank situated. And we've got our, let me move my friggin' phone over here where I can see it. I've got my viewfinder on the phone here, so key gauge, file, and here we go. So now this particular kind of master lock can turn either direction, so I'm going to go both ways here. Yeah, I got marks. It looks like on 2 and 4 for sure. And probably 3, but definitely 2 and 4, so we'll hit those. Open into stuff with the camera. Use our key gauge here to check it. Okay. And head back to the lock here. And I'm not trying to put too much pressure on it, just enough to like you're tensioning it, and then just maybe a little more past that. Bouncing around here. Go the other way. And back to our microscope here. Definitely a mark on 3. So we'll go ahead and hit that. Okay, I got mark on 2. And I believe we have a mark on 3 as well, but definitely 2. So on 3 here, what I'm going to do, a couple of light passes. Not trying to take much material off, just trying to clean. Kind of looks like a mark, but could be like just grime or something from the lock off. And then if it is a marking, it'll mark again. Okay, we've got a really good mark on 3 now. It's almost like a little chunk missing from it. So let's see where we're at on 3. I'm tearing the key here, a little bit heavy-handed with it. See that? Tearing the key right there. Shouldn't be twisting it that hard. But, and we do got a mark on 2. Putting too much pressure on it. Okay, I'm just going to go the other way here, then I'm tearing it and just try to rock it here. And real gentle with it like I should be doing. Okay, got a definite mark on 2 again. And 3 and 4, I'm just going to clean 3 and 4 off. And then 2, let me see where I'm at with 2 here. Okay, we're at 3, so we're going to go to a 4. Alright, key either just broke or it's about to open. Okay, it's going to open. So that might be the right bitting, but 3 looks like it marked again. So let me see, it's real stiff. Well, it turns counterclockwise. It's not wanting to turn. Well, okay, it's turning. That probably is the right bitting actually, because it's not just tearing the key. Sometimes what happens, we get almost to the right bitting on a master lock. There's enough slop that it'll still turn. Slag actually will too, believe it or not. Yeah, there we go. It's silky smooth there. So that's impression anyway, and then our bitting on this is going to end up being 0, 4, I think that's going to be 3. And 1, 0, 4, 3, 1 it looks like. Pull it out here. That's about it being toward is working. Let me run out to the garage here and code cut 120431, and we'll see what happens with that here. So we'll be right back. All right, welcome to the even hotter friggin' garage. And here's our key here. Keep measuring it. And definitely we're at 0, 4, and I think that was probably a 2 that I can just force it to 3, but it might be a 2 and then 1. So we're going to go 0, 4, 2, 1 is what we're going to try. Get the machine set up here. Hopefully you can see this. Alright, and here's our key. 0421 does work, but it's not real smooth. Alright, something cool just happened. Let me get back inside under better light. Alright, so we got better light here. So I don't know if we can see that this is 0421. Turns one way, you got to force it to turn it the other way. And here's what we got here. We see on number 3, go a pointer. There is a deep, deep, deep mark. Okay, really never going to get a better mark than that right there. That is an excellent mark, and that is because all the cuts are right except cut 3. It needs to go one deeper so you really get a good mark. That's just kind of a really kind of exaggerated mark that you get when you impression the key. So we'll head back out to the machine here and cut it one more depth. Yeah, it works perfectly. So it is 0431 is going to be our bidding on it, and then I guess might as well that's the one that we hand filed. Might as well copy one real quick while we're out here. So I've got 2 for it. Alright, and now the fun part, cleaning up. So I guess go ahead and like and subscribe, share, whatever, and that's going to do it for this video, guys, and we'll talk to everybody later.